Alright, so we got like 3 packages here. So let's get opening, shall we? So basically ordered like 3 packages. So let's get the opening. Oh, I'll make sure to not cut deeply into the box. Alright, let's see what's in this package. Sorry for the rough cut there. My mom just went into the room and let's see. Oh my gosh, it's another bluebird. So basically, I have 2 now, so I'm waiting for my 3rd one. Alright, we got this second package here. So basically we'll... Hold on. Okay. And it's the cross-eyed yellowbird. So yes, wow, it looks so cool. I'm gonna compare it to the original design. Alright, so here's the yellowbirds side by side. So yes, you can definitely tell the faces are different. The beak shaping and also the detail on the bottom. And the tag generations too, so yeah. And then we got this 3rd package. So I don't have to cut it open like the other 2. Let's see what's... Oh, you already know what it is. It's a Minion pig. So basically this is my 4th one now. I wonder what this touch tag is. So yeah, this is another Minion pig. So yeah, this new one is basically my 4th one now. Now I'm planning to get 3 more. It's because I want to like grow my pig army, and also I want to make more pig characters. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. See you next time. Wait, I forgot to mention that. Yeah, he still makes sounds, but the batteries are dying, unfortunately. So yeah, wonder if this... No, he does not make sound, and so does this one. Yeah. So yeah, that's really it for the unboxing.